Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Midland County in western Texas, northwestern Upton County in western Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles northeast of Crane, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 30 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Midland and northwestern Upton counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning